So, I woke up today and thought, yep, I'm gonna make my video look like a movie. Easy, right? Wrong. Because this is DaVinci Resolve, aka the control panel of a spaceship. Color wheels? Cool, confusing. Contrast? Yeah, sure, turn that up. Now everything crashed. Node? Look like a noodle. But hey, I wasn't giving up. I started digging forums, tutorials, random Reddit threads from 2015, and also typed how to color grade like a boss, and just hope for the best. I tried everything, left check, gamma check, accidentally turned my footage green, double check. But then, after hours of messing around and a healthy amount of what I'm doing, I made it my first actual color grade. Like, it looks good, like real good, and I did it from scratch. So yeah, new skill unlocked, cinematic mode activated.